Lahore Engineering is a leading manufacturer and exporter of packing machines in Lahore, Pakistan, delivering reliable, efficient, and high-performance packaging solutions for multiple industries. We specialize in designing and manufacturing customized packing machinery that ensures speed, accuracy, and long-term durability. Our machines are widely used for food, bakery, biscuits, snacks, confectionery, pharmaceuticals, and industrial products. Lahore Engineering provides end-to-end solutions tailored to customer needs. Contact Lahore Engineering today for dependable packing machines built for performance and growth.